Okay, honey, so I have this just set up on my computer, and nobody's going to bother us. We'll just take a little break. Yeah.
Wait a minute. We're taking a break at your workstation to do something fun, and you've got an alcoholic beverage?
Well, don't you never mind, honey. Just, every once in a while.
It's okay to break the rules when you want to break the rules.
Yeah, well, basically that's it. So, honey, I'm just going to show you this, what I sent my parents.
Okay.
And so we can sit here and just check it out.
Oh, boy.
Just check it out.
They live in a square state, don't they?
What? Isn't that beautiful, honey? Look at that.
That is going by really fast. What the hell are you doing? Hanging out the bus window? What am I looking at?
Well, honey, yes. It's like an hour bus ride. And the guy who's talking, his name was Michael. He was just so cute. He was so cute.
Does Aunt Me know you think he's cute? Oh, they must be at a traffic light. Oh, look, telephone wires. Yay!
Honey, I don't think there were any traffic lights in this whole thing.
What is that?
Jungle. We're going to see a lot of jungle, honey.
There's the sloth.
Aren't they cute? Look at their little faces. Look at the little face.
Keep calm and what on?
Sloth on. Or hang on. Hang on. That's
because it's a sloth and they got the hook horror thing happening.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, honey, this is
that's a big fern. I can see why you take a picture of that. I imagine your apartment is just like filled with plants.
Honey, I don't have an apartment. I live on a cruise ship.
I imagine your cruise ship bunk is filled with plants. You don't have an apartment? I got a super upgrade. I've got my own place. How did that happen?
I don't know. Anyway, this is look at that. This is just, I had to say hi to my parents. And those are the cute little sloths. Look at them. Aren't they adorable?
Are they alive?
Yeah, honey, they don't move. Well, they barely move.
If they don't move, why can't I just look at a postcard?
Because you want to see what they look like in real life, honey. Aren't they cute? That little one. I felt so sorry for it because all these sloths are injured. And that little guy right there, he fell off of an electrical pole. And he got...
Oh, good. No, go ahead. That's a funny story.
That's terrible.
Yeah, it's terrible. He fell off an electrical pole.
No, I know, honey. Well, he fell off the electrical pole and he got electrocuted, and so they brought him in here, and he's been living here ever since.
That's terrible. That explains his hair. It's like black and white and curly.
Honey, that's terrible.
It is terrible. I agree.
And this little guy right here, and the kid, that's Jupiter.
He's white and with red eyes. Is he rabid?
No, honey. He's trying to eat his food right now, but he actually, he belonged to a drug dealer.
Awesome.
Yeah, he belonged to a drug dealer, and I think they tortured him. It was terrible.
Oh, the drug dealer?
Yeah, and so now
the drug dealer was tortured.
He's probably dead by now. At least I would think so. But yeah, all these sloths are here because something happened to them, and so they're there for their whole life. And you get to go there and just like see them.
You get to go there and go to the gift shop. Look at all the people spending money in the gift shop.
Well, honey, they have to buy food. They have to buy food for those poor little creatures.
They're buying postcards and magnets. And, necklaces. What kind of jewelry do they got? Oh, go back to the jewelry.
Yeah, they have some pretty things in there, honey.
Oh, what are you on speed? Slow down with the camera.
Honey, I'm doing the best I can. I'm not a professional photographer.
That is an understatement. What am I looking at?
You're looking at all sorts
of... A dream catcher?
Yeah, well, I didn't really understand.
They have Native Americans at the Sloth Sanctuary?
I don't know what that had to do with that, but I love the little flags that you can get and the pictures of little stuffed animals. Yeah.
And there's a white wall, completely white, with what could be tiki statues. What am I looking at here?
Magnets.
Magnets.
You can't get enough magnets, honey. You gotta buy magnets everywhere you go.
There's definitely a limit to magnets.
No,
there is.
There is. No.
Let's agree to disagree, but I'm right.
Oh, but they're so cute, honey. So I picked up a couple of things, and
more dream catchers. Did you buy a dream catcher?
No, honey. I just didn't feel that was really
dream catchers. You don't think that the local Native Americans at the Sloth Sanctuary in the Bahamas didn't make the dream catchers with their naturally aqua blue feathers?
I just don't think they did.
Socks. You know who would like fancy socks? Who? Mike, the stage guy. He wears fancy socks.
Mike's stage guy. I need to get...
He's getting socks.
He's getting socks.
Oh, the song is called Grasshopper by Kia, the car company. This video is brought to you by a car company.
and it's over.
Hello, Charlene's parents. I'm sorry you had to go through that. Oh, are you named after the singer who did the song,
What song, honey?
I've Been to Me?
No, honey. I'm named after my great-grandmother.
I would like my version better. Tinto.
Salute. Okay, I don't know how that really turned out. I don't know what to do. This is our first reaction video, and we don't know what we're doing.